Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your old Skype messages. I'd like you to know that Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you keep in touch with free video chats, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly launch into today's task. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you find your old Skype messages? Now, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your home screen, which we have here. Now, at the top corner of the screen, you have chats, you have calls, you have contacts, and you have today. So I'd like you to head over to contact so you can select the content that you want to check messages on. So let's say this is a person and this is Favor. Just open the contact of choice. Now, once you do that, it's going to take you to this particular window. Now, here you're going to find all the chats and conversations that you have had in the previous days or weeks. So let's say you want to find an old message. This is how you go about that. At the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the settings wheel or this magnifying lens. Not settings wheel. So this magnifying lens, so just go ahead and click on the magnifying lens and find messages in current conversation. So you can say, let's say for example, the chat is have you found Skype? Stuff like that. Okay, so let's say I want to send a message. So I'm gonna send this message: Skype find. Okay. Okay, this I need to wait for some minutes to continue chatting because this person has not found. Okay, because this person has not accepted my request. So let's say that's Skype and that's fine, and we have the hi you, and I want to look for hi you, or I want to look for Skype. So from this magnifying lens in the search bar, I'm just gonna have to type in yo and punch the enter button. You see that this has been highlighted. So it has been highlighted with yellow color to show that this particular message has been found. So you necessarily do not need to type the entire sentence in the message that you want to look for. You can just type the first word, the second word, the third word, and it's definitely going to be displayed for you. Now, there's one thing you should know that messages are stored in the cloud up to 2 years the message was created or the message was made. So if you have conversations that is over 2 years, let's say 2 to 3 to 5 years, I'm sorry, you may not be able to get the message in Skype because they must have been transferred to the cloud. So you just have to go ahead and export the message or export the conversation for you to find those conversations. Okay, so this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.